Welcome in, Renegades. Today we are going to be talking about a bit of news and why the internet computer is going to be the multi-chain gateway to exchanges and wallets. Because decentralized exchanges on the internet computer now have direct access to MetaMask wallets. So we're going to go over some news. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the volume. We're going to look at the higher highs and the higher lows that the internet computer has been having. And we are just going to do a complete overview of what is going on right now. So let's get into our first bit of news, and we are going to sign up for Trax today too. So we are talking about Trax. Have you seen this? Unlock a seamless experience with Trax SO's latest performance update on Trax version 2.6. Effortlessly navigate with one-click sign up, sign in a sleek new look, and other exciting announcements. So we are going to go over and check it out. Let's see what Trax is doing real quick. Brand new look, simplified sign-in, music discovery, new artist site. Trax is now wherever you are. Let's dive in. So we're just going to go over this real quick. Mobile optimized with enhanced mobile PWA. Experience Trax on ICP like never before. That's pretty cool. They have the mobile application. That's pretty hard to do, so they're doing it big. So it's now even easier to take advantage of Trax's suite of tools designed to support the next generation of artists and fans. With a streamlined authentication system, get started on Trax now, all powered by the internet computer. Discoverability, discoverability, discoverability. Explore new releases as they drop. Find the hottest tracks on Trax and delve deeper into artists' discography than ever before. Okay, weird word. So they've launched a brand new site dedicated to artists to find out all about Trax and the future of music on the internet computer. Meet the team, frequently asked questions, and learn about Trax DAO. So pretty cool. And then learn how Trax is designed to amplify your voice and expand your reach, unhindered by all the usual barriers. Dive into a space where your music connects directly with fans, all seamlessly integrated with ICP. Trax SO. So let's sign up. So you go here, sign into Trax, then you go down here and get started right here, new to Trax. So then it'll take you here and you can pick your account type. I'm going to pick artist because I don't know if I ever want to create something over here, do something, who knows, maybe, do an ICP song or something. I don't know. Sky's the limit. You press continue there, and then you have to verify your identity, and then you can sign up. So just put your driver's license here, selfie here, sign up, and then you will have your account. Cool. So as I was talking about, this is huge for the internet computer, and Toniq is absolutely paving the way. I love to see this. 0.3 second execution is only being slowed down by MetaMask approval, so that is super fast. Over there, you can trade. He's trading Ethereum for CSH, and that is just absolutely light speed. I bet the fees are like super minimal. I can't even look at it. It's so fast. So I love it. Cake Maker, you guys are doing it big over there. I really can't wait to see what you guys are going to do. You know, the seamless integration of another platform like MetaMask with Toniq. So this is huge. Love to see it. I've seen ICP on Uniswap now. Now we see ICP on MetaMask. Okay, let's go and look at this volume now. So we are sitting at under 100 million. That's why we failed to break out this week. We had a significant amount of volume come in, that 200 million, like I was saying. And we didn't get above like about 300 million, which is what it would have taken to go to 16. But I knew we could make this nice test of almost $15 with about 250 million. And as you see, it significantly went down as people were selling, and we get here to about 100 million. And then now we're sitting at under 100 million. And so we're going to stay around, under this $13 level is where the whales are really taking profit. As you see, it kind of held support here. And as soon as that break, the volume started to drop significantly, with a little bit of selling pressure happening at the bottom here. So this is normal. Since you failed to break a level, it is unfortunate that we didn't hold above this $13 level. That's because the volume went down, and yeah, the market went down with it. I do want to take a look at Bitcoin real quick, because that could have a big deal to do with why we went down and everything. Bitcoin sitting about 51. It did have a significant price increase. And then this correction here caused, this is on the weekly, and as you see, Bitcoin kind of followed my price targets pretty good on that. I was telling you guys about this before, but anyway, Bitcoin had this correction here, which also caused the internet computer to have a bigger correction, because that's what happens. We go up with Bitcoin when it goes up, but we go down a lot further. So that just happens. We have been holding really strong in this level right here. This is going to be a big level. Anything above $13.33 is going to be gigantic resistance. And we did get one weekly close above that, which was very bullish. So I would like to see where we're going to end up at the end of this week. If before Sunday we can get back above 13.33, we're going to continue to be bullish. But as long as we don't break down below this $12.27 range, we could still continue to go bullish. If we do end this week below 12.27, I am looking for a pullback at about 11.15. That is where it looks like we are going to be heading and testing this big pocket area from about 11.70 all the way down to this 11.15 area. And hopefully that will hold, if not 10.33 is the next area I'm looking, from 10.50 down to that area. But I don't see a reason for that, because we're getting higher highs and higher lows from last month, and we do have a lower low here than last week, but it does look like we still have a higher low than the week before. So as long as we only have one candle that we kind of went under and we hold this level, I do see more bullish momentum. We are going to have to cool down on the weekly RSI though. This is the area that I'm a little bit concerned about, because it's been very overbought for a while, and we are under this weekly RSI by a significant amount now. We're under it by 5, and as you see, whenever we get under this metric right here, this indicator, this key indicator, this key metric for the internet computer that has been our absolute guidance on big moves in the market, it does look like we are going to be under this, but this could be good. So this might not be a breakout. We need to see how this next week is going to go, because a retracement of this level will not be bad. But if we get a significant move under this for several consecutive weeks, it will push us down. Because we could go under and just test it, as we have a few times back here. But if we do end up under it for a couple of weeks in a row, we will see these levels at 10.31 and a possible move to even 8.68. If the market goes really bad and we end up going back down to about the 57, and then the 8 level would probably be somewhere down at the 49. We do have a nice cool off though, and this could be what it takes for the next move to the upside. So I would we have a nice cool off, but we could have a nice move to the upside if we can get back above this. But we are 5 points below it, which is a good cool off. So we'll have to watch this. I was watching it for key breakout levels, so this could be a key pullback level. I would keep that in mind, and if you have limit orders, not financial advice, but I would be putting them at these levels that I just told you. So go back and look at those levels. And you can see where these good entry points are. I'm not telling you to buy at those levels, but that's where I am looking to get in at these levels. And I would like to see more volume. The good thing is there's not a lot of sell-offs happening right now, so that is good while we see this, because we were over bought here, so we need to have a cool off. But being under this support level of the average RSI, and you can see the volume is down. So this could be an indicator of a move to the downside. And look right where this weekly Bollinger is, right at this level at that 868. So, I mean, I don't want to think bearish. I still think if we can close above this, we'll be bullish, because we could turn this around. We need to get back above. I would probably say 1275. 1262 to 1275 would be more comfortable, but I don't see a big move to the downside unless we do break this 1227 area. I definitely want to see us back above this 1333 though, because that would bring us above this RSI and we'd be safe. But as long as we're below this RSI, we could have a really big move to the downside, and I just want to let you guys be aware of that. That is what my TA is telling us right now. So just be careful. There's a lot of cool stuff, but yeah, just definitely be careful on that. So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP.